Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to distribute files within a Microsoft Teams session. This capability is vital for remote collaboration or real-time file sharing with your coworkers. To begin, launch your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Teams site. Press the Sign In button and provide your credentials to enter your account. If you are already logged in, you will land directly on your dashboard. Once you have accessed your account, locate the calendar icon on the left-hand menu. Selecting this will display your upcoming appointments and events, making it easy to manage your schedule. Now, identify the specific meeting where you intend to share your file. This can be a scheduled future event or an active session. Click on the meeting to view its details, including the attendee list and the planned agenda. The next phase is vital for sending your files. Look for the Open Meeting Chat option to launch the conversation window. This area allows you to message participants and share resources. At the bottom of this chat window, you will see a paperclip icon. Click this attachment symbol to begin the transfer. From the resulting menu, choose Upload from this device to browse your computer's storage. Use the File Explorer to pick your document and confirm the upload. Depending on your connection speed and the file size, this may take a moment. Once finished, everyone in the meeting can access, download, and work on the document with you. For better results, ensure your files have descriptive names and notify your team before sending them. You are now ready to share documents effortlessly during Teams meetings, boosting your group's productivity. Keep practicing these steps to master your workflow.